Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Sheikh Muslim sir, an assistant teacher of Al Mahmood International School, Akula. How are you students? Hope you are well. And I hope you are studying at home. Yes, am I right? Very good. Very good. The students who are studying and the students who are not studying, they will start study, okay? Good. And as you know students, in previous videos we have been learning lesson number 3, a friend for Milu. In last exercise we solve to complete sentences, okay? Now in this video we will solve next exercise, okay? Now see, learn to listen. This exercise is about to listening, okay? So this exercise we will solve later, okay? Next exercise, see, learn to speak. Learn to speak. First I will read, then you have to repeat after me, okay? Got it? See, read the words aloud. Read the words aloud. Aloud means loudly, okay? So first I will read, then you have to repeat after me, okay? See, big, big, log, log, big, fish, fish, big fish. I saying on your screen you can see clearly, okay? See, big, fish, fish, swim, swim, big fish swim, kitten, kitten, his, big fish swim, kitten, his. Yes, are you repeating? Yes, repeat after me, okay? And try to learn how to read. Next, log, log, dog, walk, sock, lock, okay? Log, dog, walk, sock, lock, okay? Are you repeating? Yes, very good. Repeat after me and try to learn how to read, okay? Next exercise, see, read the sentences aloud, okay? Here you have to read also loudly, okay? See, the, big, the big, fish, fish, the big. Yes, repeat after me, okay? The big fish, swims, the big fish swims, okay? I repeating? Yes, repeat after me, okay? Next sentence, a dog, walks, walks, a dog walks. Yes, a dog walks, along, the dog, a dog walks along, the log, a dog walks along the dogs, okay? Are you repeating? Yes, repeat after me, okay? The big fish swims, a dog walks along the log, okay? A dog walks along the log, okay? See, you have to make practice and try to understand these words and sentences, okay? See, next, see, next exercise number 3, okay? Work in pairs, read out what they are saying. Means you can see on your screen, these are pictures and they are saying something, okay, to someone. So what are they saying? You have to see. Number 1, who's that girl? Who's that girl? Okay, repeat after me. Who's that girl? WHO apostrophe and S. Who's, who, apostrophe and s. Whose means who is. Okay, who is. You can see who is that girl. That means wo. Okay, when we are going to ask some about someone, who is that, so we can use who's that in short. Okay, in short we can say who's that. There is no need to say who is that. In short we can say who's that. Okay, got it. What we will use in short to ask about someone, who's that. Okay, repeat after me. Who's that girl. Who's that girl. वो लड़की कौन है. Okay, who's that girl. She is yes, see, who's that girl. Okay, so when we, in short we will use whose, not who is. Okay, both are correct. Who's that girl. She is Roshni. She is Roshni. Okay, she is telling she is Roshni, means the third person is there and she is asking about that girl, and this girl is replying she is Roshni. So she used she apostrophe and s. Okay, here she used she's. Okay, she's. Okay, she's mean she is. Okay, she is. Okay, in short we will use she's. Okay, both are correct. What's that. Who's that girl. She's Roshni. Okay, got it. Now see, he is telling who's that boy. Here also he used whose mean, what is the full form of whose. Who is. Okay, what is the full form of whose. Who is. Okay, got it. Who is, it's a short form of whose. Who is. Okay, who's that boy. She is telling, yes, he is Rajiv. He is. Here she used his, apostrophe and s. He is. Okay, got it. Hope you would understood. See, she used his. It's a short form of he is. Okay, got it. He is a short form of he is. See, next sentence, next picture you can see on your screen. Here are two boys. Okay, one is telling what's that thing. Here he used what's. It's a short form of what is. Okay, what is. Okay, got it. What's that thing means what is that thing. Okay, so next another student is replying it's a computer. He used it's a short form of it is. Okay, understood. So yes students, you have to make more and more practice and use these words. Okay, these short words in communication. Okay, got it. Very good. It is a computer. Got it. See, here she is telling what's that girl. Who's that girl. Mean who is that girl. She is Roshni. Okay, she is Roshni. Who's that boy. Yes, he is Rajiv. Okay, got it. So dear students, you have to use these short words. Okay, what's that thing. It's a computer. It's mean it is. It's mean it apostrophe and s. It's mean it is. Okay, got it. Very good. See, so dear students, you have to make more and more practice. Now see, work in pairs. Use the help box and ask and answer questions using who or what. Here you have to make question like which we saw above. Okay, and here are answers. You have to make answer. Okay, like this. See, who oblique man, who oblique woman, means you have to make question. Who's that woman? Who's that woman? Okay. Who's that woman? Answer will be yes, women. She's Mrs. Reddy. Okay, it's a short form of Mrs. Means she is married woman. Okay, got it? So you have to make like this a question by using who and what. Okay, who's that girl? Here you have to make who's that woman. Answer will be she is Mrs. Reddy. Okay, next you have to ask a question. See, what is that? What or thing? What oblique thing? Okay, so you have to make question. What will you make question? What's that thing? What's that? Not what is that thing? Okay, you have to use what's that thing? WHAT apostrophe and S. What's? Okay, what's that thing? Answer will be yes, it's an umbrella. It's an umbrella. Okay, you will use it's. You will give answer. It's IT apostrophe and S. It's an umbrella. Okay, got it. Next question. Who oblique child means what we will make question. Who's that child? Very good. Who's that child? What will be the answer? Yes. Who's that child? Now child is girl or boy? Yes, Sunita. Sunita is the name of a girl. So what we will say? She is Sunita. She's SHE apostrophe and S. What is that? She's Sunita. Okay, she is a Sunita. She is Sunita. See next. What oblique building? So what will we make question? Yes. What's that building? Okay, WHAT apostrophe and S. What's that building? Okay. So what will be the answer? Yes. Yes, it's a bank. It's a bank. IT apostrophe and S. It's a bank. Got it? Next, who oblique man? What will we make question? Yes, who's that man? Okay, answer. So answer will be he's Mr. Johnson. HE apostrophe and S. He's Mr. Johnson. In short, you will use like these words. Okay, whose, what's and his, she's, it's. Okay, like this. These words you have to use. Got it? So dear parents, please help your word to make question and answer and copy in book number 1. Okay, got it? Thank you. Assalamu. In next video we will learn next chapter. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.